This is a song about sound, because it's always around. Mr. Smith tried to bring us down, but we're gonna keep singing about sound. Sound is created through vibration. You can hear it through every radio station. No one's ever gonna bring us down, 'cause we're gonna keep singing about sound. Sound travels through solids, metal gases. Mr. Smith taught us that in classes. We don't really pay attention, but it's still in our comprehension. 'Cause sound,
Going down, talk about sound, that is what we're doing. The pitch of the sound is frequency, and it makes so much sense to me. Infrasonic 20 hertz, ultrasonic to 1000 hertz. Between that range is what we hear every day of the year.
Sound is slow, it's really fast. It is just like a blast. 330 meters per second, that is how we roll. Longitudinal waves is how it goes, not transverse like light that glows. We'll keep singing this great song. Why don't you just come along? Period is the time for one full wave cycle. The frequency is the number of waves per second. The amplitude is the height, and the wavelength is the length. Speed is how fast it goes, lambda divided by time. Natural frequency is the urge for an object to vibrate. Resonance makes an object vibrate a lot. Beats are when two different tones are mixed together. F minus F2, absolute value. Decibels determines how loud a sound is. Decibels is the measure of amplitude. Doppler's effect is when something's moving towards you. It is definitely gonna get louder. This is a song about sound, because it's always around. Mr. Smith tried to bring us down, but we're gonna keep singing about sound. Sound is created